So in this video, we're going to talk about navigation and how to navigate between pages. So I know in that last video, I mentioned we would talk about how to navigate from by clicking on one of the cards listed on the home page and navigate to the details page to pass data. But there's two parts to the navigation, and that's the second part. But in this part, I just want to show a basic how to navigate across pages with links. So in order to do that, we want to add two more pages, a dashboard page for a homeowner or an agent and they want to see all of the properties that they have listed and to be able to manage those properties, like deleting or editing property details. So we're just going to set up the layout of the dashboard page, and we're going to also set up the layout for a listings page that you can visit to view all listings and do filtering on price, filtering on the number of bedrooms, city, and more. So we're just going to set up the layout of those pages. So for our navigation to work. So first, let's go ahead and add a new page by clicking on that drop down menu up top. Add new page. And we want to add a dashboard page. And let's just clone the index page. And we can just highlight all of that. Hit delete. Highlight all this. Hit delete. Actually, let's undo that. We want to drag this up top. We can make use of this. Too close. So this is going to be our listing for our properties. So this is our dashboard page, and we can just put properties. Let's change that style to say H2 dark. So let's say H1. Cool. You can hit preview. Cool, my properties. And let's go ahead and make a new page. Let's call this on listings page. You clone it from the dashboard. Rid of this. And we want to create a little bar at the top, a controls bar, where you can add our filter. So on the listings page, list all of the properties, and we want to filter by its different attributes, such as price, square feet, number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, and city. So let's set that up by scrolling down, click on search bar, add a little search bar right here. Change placeholder city. Cool. Want to add some buttons. Add this button here. Call that price. And just go ahead and copy, paste. Copy and paste this. Call this That call this UFT for square feet. Cool. Make sure we're getting the right data. So search for homes. Homes, cool. The preview. Preview what the listings page might look like. Cool. You have this little bar here. Yeah, so now we can, now that we have those 2 pages created, we actually want to edit the header, and let's add actual links to show you how to navigate. So what we want to do is click on this page here, go to the reusable elements section, click on header. Now we can update the links. So we want to have dashboard link, and we want to change the link destination to the internal page. The destination page is the dashboard page. And make sure open in the new tab is unchecked, because we want to keep the users on the same site. We don't want to keep opening a bunch of tabs. Exit out of that. Instead of FAQs, we want to change that to listings. And we want to change that internal page. Change that to home listings. Make sure open in a new tab is unchecked. And that's all there is to it. Let's go ahead and change this logo. Instead of the bubble logo, clear that out. We have a logo of our own. Nest Finder. Ooh. Prominent. We can go back to the index page. Let's go ahead and preview. So now we have our logo, looks nice. And our dashboard, to navigate to the dashboard page. My properties, cool. Listings should navigate to the listings page. Cool. So that works. And this, of course, goes back to the home page. So that's how you set up basic navigation. Now, in the next video, we're going to introduce workflows. And workflows is how we're going to use to navigate this card element here. And we want to navigate it over to the home details page. And we want to send that data, all the data about this home, over to that page so we can have access to the data and display all the details. So stick around for the workflow video coming up next.